Okay, so what we do is, according to the website, they say we need to use this template for using Bootstrap. We copy that, we paste it in, we save. Now we go into the file, we open this up, it says hello world. We want to try that it works, so we go and search on Google for navbar, the navbar component. We can see that we specify version 5 because that's the one we're using. That means that you need to use the same. You can't use a version 4, you can't use the documentation version 4 or version 3. You need to use version 5. We copy this navbar, we paste it into the body. We do the indentation, we save. Now we do the index. We can see that it doesn't work. The tutorial doesn't work. So how you solve this is that you go into Bootstrap, you download it manually. You can just search for Bootstrap 5 and download. And you can just download this CSS and DS. We press download. See, we get a zip file. Take this, press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V it in here. I want to rename it to don't say the version. I place this Bootstrap. We go into the folder again, and what you need to do differently is basically that we specify the actual files that we have downloaded. So we go here, bootstrap, and we can verify that this file exists. We go to bootstrap JS and then bootstrap bundle min, and we have that one. And then we just need to do the same for the other one. We actually need to remove this as well because it's not needed. Remove that, and then we can see here, instead of this here, we need to put bootstrap, remove the integrity, anonymous, remove. Now we have the link. Now we can start the index file again, and now we can see that it works, and that's how you fix it.